Good morning, kids. How are you all today? Kids, today we are going to do nature walks. Let's begin. Look, kids, there is so much greenery over here. And look, there are so many trees and the wind is blowing very fast. यहाँ पे कितने सारे trees हैं और wind बहुत तेज चल रही है. So kids, plants are of so many sizes. Plants बहुत सारे size के होते हैं, right? Now see, these are all trees क्योंकि ये बहुत ऊंचे हैं. They are so tall. They are known as trees. And the plants which are small in size are known as herbs and shrubs. And this is a small tree. These all are herbs. ये सारे small plants हैं तो ये herbs हैं. And this is shrub. Now kids, we will see a plant with flowers. अब हम flower वाला plant देखेंगे. Look kids, here are so many flowers. यहाँ कितने सारे flowers हैं. Now let's move on to the next flower plant. इस वाले plant में सारे purple color के flowers हैं. Kids, do you know कितने सारे colors के flowers होते हैं? Flowers are very colorful. हमारे पास सारे colors के flowers होते हैं plants में. Look, red color flowers are there. Now let's move on. See kids, these all are small trees. ये सारी small trees हैं. And इनके नीचे जो small plants हैं वो shrubs हैं. And look, इस tree में भी flowers हैं. Look, so many flowers are blooming here. Okay, and now let's move forth. Mom really loves to do this nature walk. It is so green here. Now kids, we'll see more flowers over here. Wow, one flower is blooming here. And this is a rose plant with 2 roses. And kids, this is grass. We used to play in grass na. ये grass है. And kids, now see, this is the stem of plant. This is known as stem. And these are branches of a plant. And this is the leaf. These are leaves of plant. And this is a small plant with flowers and these are leaves. And this is a flower. So beautiful. It is blooming. And it is a small bird. ये छोटा bird है. जब ये बड़ा होगा तो ये भी flower बन जाएगा. So kids, you also go to the garden or nearby park with your parents. Take a nature walk. See the trees, herbs, shrubs, flowers, leaves, stems, branches, birds. Hear the sound of wind. विंड की आवाज़ सुने. चिर्पिंग ऑफ बर्ड्स भी चिर्पिंग करती हैं ना प्लांट्स के पास. एंड एन्जॉय एंड एडमायर द ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर. बट किड्स, डोंट फॉरगेट टू वेयर योर मास्क. जब भी हम घर से बाहर जाते हैं वी मस्ट वेयर अ मास्क. ओके, सो यू हैव टू वेयर मास्क व्हाइल गोइंग टू द गार्डन. ओके किड्स, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Enjoy your nature walk with your parents.